Well, you've got your beautiful boral pavers down and they're looking sensational, but you do need to consider ongoing maintenance, and one thing that drives people absolutely insane are weeds growing in between the gaps of the pavers. Now, you could be tempted to just come through and pull them out, but you do run the risk of pulling out sand, also leaving roots in place. I much prefer to use a herbicide like Roundup or Zero. Alternatively, there is a specialist grout sand available, gap sand here, which is a blend of sands and polymers, and you sweep this in the gaps, get off the excess, spray it with the fine spray with the hose, and it actually sets, but because it's got the silicone polymer in it, it also allows for expansion and contraction, so it's perfect, and the weeds don't like it. Now, the other thing you want to think about is cleaning, and what I always advise people to do is always check with the manufacturer before you put any cleaning products on the pavers, because you could run the risk of causing discoloration or damaging the paver. So check with the manufacturer, and also you might want to consider sealing, and again, check with the manufacturer and see what they recommend to be used on their pavers.